Today I'm gonna make salad of this beautiful Chinese cabbage. We got it from our garden today. I think I will cut this Chinese cabbage today and use it before it's too late. That one looks pretty decent, but it's too big for one salad, so I'm gonna cut it in half and we'll use one of the halves. The other one I'll store for later. So I'm gonna cut the cabbage. This is our family recipe. I've not used any sauces. This is how we like eating Chinese cabbage. So you have to chop all of this. If you like it more finely, you can do it. I'll use one carrot. Just two. Once we have our carrot grated, we'll add some lemon juice because the carrots usually turn brown if they stay too long without any acid. So I'll add this lemon juice to stop it from browning. I'd love to use some gadget for the lemon juice, but here we even don't have normal kitchen, so just squeeze with my hands. They do the job. I'll check later if that's enough and you'll add the other half. For now it's okay, minus the seed. I'll also use half of this beautiful bell pepper. Unfortunately, it's not from our garden, but I'm hoping to grow some. Half of it is enough. So cut the pepper very fine. Next thing, I'm gonna add this one spring onion. That one grew in our garden, so I'm very proud I'm going to use it today. Chop it finely. If you don't like the onion, just don't put it, but we like it, so that's the way we eat it. We'll add this to the salad, and final ingredient is avocado. I'm gonna use a spoon. That's the usual way. Cabbage does not have many calories, so it's good to add avocado to have some calories in your salad. Otherwise, you're, as dietitians say, eating negative calories because you use more energy to digest the cabbage than you have from the cabbage. So add one avocado, the other half too. It's not 100% ripe, but it's soft, so it's okay. So I'm cutting the other half, and I'll collect this avocado pit. For a year I've been trying to start avocado tree from seed or from pit, but not very successful. My first two plants were doing okay until I decided to plant them in the garden. And finally we have to season that salad. I'll add some salt. We'll mix it. I don't think that lemon will be enough, but you can always add some more, but can't remove, so it's better to taste. We'll drizzle some olive oil on top. And we also like to add some roasted sunflower seeds. I roasted them a few minutes ago on this pan. You have to leave them to cool before adding them to the salad. And my delicious salad is ready. This will be my lunch, delicious and nutritious. If you want, you can try this recipe. It's very easy to make.